ಹಾಯ್ ಹಲೋ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಆ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ TCHR ವಿತ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ದ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೆರಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ದ ಮೇಲ್ ರಿಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ರಿಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ನ ವಿತಿನ್ 10 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್, ಕಮ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೀ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಡ್ರಾ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಲೈನ್ and the other one which is almost parallel to it, starting with the penis, and you can show the enlarged portion of the penis which is the glans penis, where from the penis you have to do this and you have to connect it, and from there you have to get a long urethra which is passing through the penis and end it up in the urethral meatus. And here our penis is done. So after that, dealing with the other glands, you need to do the corpus gland followed by the prostate gland and the seminal vesicles. See that both looks of same size, and after that you have to show yes. Can also show the testicular lobules inside the testis, and you can show the muscles inside the penis, and later you can complete the diagram with the foreskin. So let us quickly label this. Yeah. So here we get to see this is the penis, and which has the glans penis, the enlarged portion of the penis covered by a loose tissue of skin which is the foreskin. and it has a pair of testes with the testicular lobules and the epididymis. This is the vas deferens. Urinary bladder. Seminal vesicles. The prostate gland. And the corpus gland, which is also called as bulbourethral gland. So ನೋಡೋದಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗೆ within 10 minutes we are able to cover this diagram, which is the most important 5 marks diagram for your PU board examination. So for any such contents, you can actually get into our app and also have a look about almost all the diagrams, which makes your life easier and help you get good marks. See you all in the next video.